Hey guys, it's me, Ellie, back again, and today we're going to be doing like a bit of a mail time. We've only got about 6 gifts, but you know, what's the point of I just want to record it, so just put recording, and that didn't really work, did it? Right, recording, recording, yeah. As you can see, I've got a drip cap, obviously. So let's open the first one. I haven't seen any of these, by the way. So, strapped in. Let's wear them because I need to change my animation 2 seconds. Okay, they're a bit low waisted, but make them work. I can make them work. Let me just change my animation, you know. That's really cute. What's on you? Yeah, let's just do this one. Freaky thought. Anyway, so next we've got this peekaboo. Oh, this is honestly cute. That just makes his outfit pop, doesn't it? New video, please sub to me, thank you. Without you, I'm just, oh my gosh, she definitely won't like me to shout her out, so add her up on YouTube. Summer peasant. Yes, peasant. Let's wear it. So it's like a bit of a flowery off shoulder top. Let's have a look at this one. I'm sorry if I might rush it in, but you know, I'll show you some like stuff on my account in a bit after, so you know it's fine. That's a bit cute. Like, I don't know if I like it though because of the style. I like the colour. We've got a cute little bow, which I don't place my hat. It's fine. Got a pin in my hand. It's not in shop. It's like, what's this? Chill. Can anyone see anything? Yes. Oh. Okay. Well, it is a bit cute. Anyway. Okay. So. Thanks for coming to my channel, obviously. This is my account. Feel free to add me up and send me gifts and everything. So, yeah. Add me up. Love you. Bye.